datigan ng kapurihan at awitan ng ating Panginoong Diyos. If He has been good to you, awitin natin ang awit natin.
For many weeks, bago pa tayo makalipat, we've been encouraging you to partner with God through our Seed of Faith project.
Pero alam niyo kung ano yung good news? Parang hindi kayo excited. Alam niyo kung ano yung good news? Alam niyo ano?